Welcome to this cleansing meditation. To begin, I invite you to sit or lie down, to get yourself comfortable for the 10 minutes ahead. Close your eyes and start feeling your body relaxing, taking you to an alpha state that allows your mind and your body and your soul to align. Take 3 deep breaths and sigh out any agitation or stale energy that may reside within you. See yourself walking along a path that is leading up to the top of a sand dune. Feel excitement inside, as you know when you reach the top, you will be greeted by a vast and beautiful ocean. As you stand there now, open your arms wide and just receive the energy of the ocean in front of you. Notice its colors. Feel the wind blowing against your face. Taste the salt water against your skin. Hear the sounds of the waves, the rhythm of the ocean. Connect with it and become one. Walk towards the shore and stop just as the breaking waves rush over your feet. Feel that initial chill and embrace yourself for submerging. Before you enter, I'd like you to bring up the memory or the memories that you intend to cleanse and heal from. For one last time, acknowledge what it was and choose to no longer live with the story. Be free from it. Be in your power, and you choose how you want to live your life. Walk into the ocean, submerge or dive. As you do so, feel the memory or memories start fading away as they submerge with the ocean and are brought out, released, and they are blended in and taken away by the water. Enjoy the chill of the water, the power of the waves. Feel yourself trusting the ocean and Mother Earth, and how safe and okay it is for you to let go. Continue to submerge or dive. Allow yourself now to float. Just trusting and releasing. If you're facing up, feel the sun getting higher and higher into the sky. Feel the joy at releasing. Feel empowered by the ocean, the nutrients and the minerals that the water provides. Feel replenished. That the old negative energy is being replaced with new vitality. Feel yourself being nourished. And now bring out your childlike wonder, your essence and connection to Source. Splash and play. Feel the wonder like a child as you play in the ocean. Take that essence with you as you now look towards the shore and leave the ocean. Feel that essence and wonder as you now sit or lie on the beach. And you look up to the sun and allow its warmth to replace the chill from the water. Feel cleansed. Feel free. Feel now that you have the energy to be anything that you want to be. This is the energy that you're going to hold with you for the rest of the day. It's now time to return. So stand up and look at the ocean and express gratitude. For you being there, for the cleansing it did, and knowing that you can always return anytime to repeat this process. Start walking up the dune and walking down the path. Feel revitalized. Feel happiness and joy, for it is rightfully yours. And as you reach the end of the path, feel yourself now coming back into this space, whether it's your room or a park, wherever you've done the meditation. Slowly start moving your hands and feet and coming back into your body. And when you are ready, open your eyes. Take a couple more deep breaths. and get ready to go into the day ahead.